All right, y'all, it is a beautiful day today. Today is a special video because what you see behind us, behind me, is Heritage, Harley-Davidson Softail Heritage. My sister's bike, y'all remember her? And now I'm proud to announce my cousin's bike, her 2023 Softail Heritage, my cousin Sean. She just took a Harley-Davidson riding course probably about 2 months ago. The end of April, right? After she took the course, 1 week later, she ends up buying a new Heritage. I'm so proud of my cousin. And now she's down here, guys, for you seeing the videos later on, at Run to the Hills on her new bike. Never owned a motorcycle before. This is her first Harley. Now, as you know, we don't ride bikes with incandescent bulbs like this. We're gonna make it look like this with custom dynamic lights on it because that is important to be seen. You have to be seen. So we had to get my cousin right? We couldn't have her looking wrong, right? But today's video, you're used to me doing these installs. I'm not gonna do the install. My sister and my cousin are gonna be doing the whole install on my cousin's new 2023 Heritage. So that's what we're gonna do today. So roll the intro and let's get started.
Traveling Tall is brought to you by Custom Dynamics, Zippers Performance, Khrome Works, Red Line Oil, Volunteer Audio, and Let's Roll.
We about to ride, you about to ride.
For a limited time, the Custom Dynamics Traveling Tall Edition package, which includes front LED turn signals, rear LED turn signals, smoke lenses, the Magic Strobe brake flasher, and a Custom Dynamics Traveling Tall collaboration pack. There's a limited supply. Make sure you order yours today. Keep gliding, and as always, have a blessed day.
All right, Sean, first thing we got to do is get rid of these ugly bulbs, right?
Okay.
So there's a notch under here somewhere, just feel for it, where
Okay.
you take the flat head of the screwdriver and just pop that
Okay.
lens
You can
off.
actually see it through the through the light.
Okay.
Here it
Yeah, there
goes.
you go.
There we go.
All right. Okay. Pull the bulb out. Twist it a little bit.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. There we go.
There you go. So we need a rag because you got to get all that out of there because these don't like it.
Okay.
So we'll get a rag and get that out, and then we'll be able to pop these in. And it goes in the same way.
All right. I'm guessing I got it all because rag is coming off clean.
Put that in there the same way you took. You see the two notches on the side? Push it straight in and turn it. Should be.
Oh, okay. Push it and turn it. There we
Yep.
go.
Now you just kind of twist turn it in like a circle and kind of get the wires in there good.
Okay.
Back behind. Oh, wait a
Oh,
minute.
got to get the wires over here.
You have you got it in there good. What I do is I twist it and like coil it up. Like as it goes in. And then you pop this on.
This is going to stay or no?
Well, you got to kind of hold it while you.
Okay. No, I didn't know if it was going to stay.
Yeah, you got to push it on hard. It pops on.
There we
you
go.
All right, if you want to test it to see if we got it in there right, because I don't want to have to come back and do it again. So, all right, let's see. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
that's much better.
Yeah, I love that light.
Yeah, that looks
All right.
much better. Try to turn signal.
Okay.
Yep. Now you're right.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Let's do the
Oh,
other
yeah.
one. Okay, and coil it up in there. And here you go. Got it. All right, hit
All
your
right.
switch.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's right.
All right, turn signal. Just,
Okay.
I know we checked the other side, but.
Yeah. Yep. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good. Now we gotta get the back. So basically, this is the same as the front. Well,
Okay.
change these right here. Same thing. You pop them off and wipe out the grease. Do the same thing.
All right. This one didn't have as much grease as the front ones.
All right, there you go. And I'll have to get your other lenses because we're not going to use those red ones. You go in there.
We're not putting the red ones on, right?
No, no, we want that smoke lens. This is going to be smoked lens. We want that nice. It's blacked out, so you want it. That's like a smoked look in the back. So,
Okay.
yeah, we don't want the red ones. Can you get it?
Yep.
There we go. Yep, that's done.
There we go.
All right.
And pop that on.
The smoke looks good.
All right.
And a lot better. But
It does.
Yeah, definitely. So we've got this Pro Beam LED low profile tail light we're going to put on here. And it's smoked just like these two. It's going to look so much better. But first we got to get these screws off.
All right.
And pop it off. We're going to need a
Phillips for this one.
Phillips, yeah. Yeah. So you got 2 screws.
All right.
Those off. So you have to disconnect the light, but I think it's a tab under here. You just squeeze in and pull.
Okay. Oh,
There you
yeah.
go. Pops
There we
right
go.
out.
Oh, yeah.
That's
way more
better.
low profile.
And it's not even on there.
Yeah. The tab is at the bottom. Pop right in. And there we go.
Don't go all the way yet.
Okay.
Don't put the other one in first. Make sure it's in. Yeah. Get it lined up. Yeah. Is it lined up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, it's in there.
All right, and then you can tighten it up on this side.
Yeah. That looks really good.
Oh, definitely. Look at that.
Yeah. That looks good.
It's just,
that looks
it's a
good.
clean, low profile look.
Yeah.
Not this red. This red is ugly. I'm sorry. It just is. And that looks so much better.
Yeah.
All right, so we got one more thing, then we're going to turn it on. We'll go ahead and put the magic strobe on. That's what makes it flash. I have to take the side cover off for this one. Let's get the magic strobe put on. We got to take the seat off.
Okay, I'll put it over here.
We have to pop these covers off the side here, and you need to take them off both sides because it goes across. So.
Okay.
All right. There you go.
All right, that part is on. And then, so purple on the left and brown snaps in on the right.
You get it?
Yeah. So we had to interrupt the turn signal. So we had to hook the wires in on this side and then slide this box back in place. And then for the top, we had to make sure that the purple was in on the left side, brown in on the right side. And now we just got to test it out to make sure that I have the effect that I want to have for my bike. On the back side of the magic strobe, there is a little dial where I have 10 options to set for my lights. So right now it's set on 9, and I'm just going to test it out to see which ones I like best.
All right, we're going to put everything back together. Get everything tight. We'll have to, zip tie everything down, but put the seat back and test it out and see what it looks like. So what do you think, Sean?
That looks good. The cars will be able to see me real good now.
Yeah, exactly. That's why we all have them, because you want to be seen.
Yeah.
Yeah. That looks
Awesome.
good.
Appreciate it, cuz.
Yeah, no problem. Right. See, Heritage Girls right here.
All right, guys, so we done. It was real easy install. I mean, I didn't even break a sweat. Guys, I'm telling you, this is the install for you. If you have a brand new Harley-Davidson motorcycle and you want to heighten the awareness when you're out riding for distracted drivers and all that, and just plus make your bike look good. Look how much better this looks now, right? You like it?
I love it.
You can go to CustomDynamics.com. Make sure that you go to CustomDynamics.com and order a set for yourself. And we're going to end this video here. I want to thank my cousin Sean. I want to thank Kim. And I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, keep gliding, or whatever these things do. And as always, have a blessed day.